Hello friends, my name is Tawfiq and you're watching my channel Graphics 10. So in this video I am going to tell you how to create width profile, and before that what is width profile, how to create a width profile and how to use it in Adobe Illustrator. So let's get started. So first, if you draw anything with an outline like this, then I will turn the fill color off, and as we see, this object has an outline. So anything with the outline, we can change the outline type or the width type using the width profile. So this is the width profile, and these are some ready-made width profiles that we can apply. So I will increase the stroke so that you can see it clearly. So this is how it looks when we use different width profiles like this. So this is the width profile. Now we can use it in creating different shapes. Even in some logos we can use this very effectively. So these are the some of the profiles that are already there. So how to create a new width profile? It is very easy. We can create it using the width tool. So I will create a line first. So I'm not going to talk about width tool in detail because this is not about the width tool for now. This is about the width profile, but it is very easy. So this is a simple line. So if I want to change the width or change the consistency of the this outline, we can use the width tool, and using the width tool we can simply click and drag to change the shape of the outline like this. So we can create the shape that we want. So let's say I have created this shape, and remember this is still an outline, this is not a shape, and we can convert this into a shape that I will tell you later on. But first, this is still an outline, so create the shape that you want using the width tool. And once you have created the desired shape, simply go to this thing, width profile, and go to the bottom, and we have this option called as add to profile. Simply click on this button and name it whatever you want. So let's say new one, whatever you want, you can name it new one. So this will be added to this profile category. This is the one new. So we can now apply the new width profile to any object that we create. So I will again create a circle. So this is a simple circle. I will increase the width of the outline. Now using the width profile panel, I can apply this new width profile that I just created like this. And if you want to, I will increase. And if you want to change the shape of this width profile, first we have to convert this into a regular shape. So how to do that? Simply click and go to object and expand appearance. Now this is a regular shape, so we can change this using the direct selection tool like this. And still this is still a outline, so again we can go to object, expand, and we can change the shape using the direct selection tool. So this is the width tool using which we can create different shapes or give different shapes to outline, and using that shape we can create different width profile using this panel, using this width profile panel from here. So this is how we can create different width profile using the width tool. And I have also told you the basics of the width tool. So this is, you can use this while creating logos and different shapes. So this is how we can create a new width profile. So that's it for this video. I hope you find this video useful. If you do, please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye and cheers.